So how to claim your 750 free credits for the Arcade Facilitator Program 2026? Here is a step-by-step guide. I hope you have got this particular email. In case you haven't got it, just fill the registration form, link is in the description, and also check your spam box. Now what you have to do, you have to simply scroll down and click on this particular link. Make sure you are signed out to your skills profile. Okay, Google skills profile. Now what you have to do, just come over here and here you can see this is your code. So just copy this particular code, do not share with anyone. Copy it carefully, paste over here, just click on I'm not a robot, click on submit. And after that, just select the lab over here. Now you have to click on sign in button. Just sign in with the same account with which you have registered in the program. Once you are signed in, just click on start lab over here. Now what you have to do, you have to keep the lab running for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Okay. Some of you are saying that here in your case it's showing 45 minutes. For some people it's showing 50 minutes. Do not worry. Just keep the lab running. Okay. After 5 minutes, we'll check everything over here. So just wait for some time. So finally here you can see around 5 minutes have already passed. Now what you have to do, just click on end lab. Go to your profile. Here mostly you'll be seeing starter or any number over here. You have to click on it. Now here you can see I've got 9 credits over here. Now just wait for a few minutes, just refresh it and you'll be able to see 759 credits total. So just wait for some time. And if you're getting any error, just relog out and sign in again and redo all the steps. So you can see we have got 759 credits. Like this, we have to claim the credits. Now what's next? You can start doing skill badges, arcade games, whatever you like. You are completely free to do because you are successfully registered in the program. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.